Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin, which has just broken below $20,000, and now it's even down to $18,000 and change, and we could see some more downward movement. I'm going to talk a little bit about why, and in today's video, we're going to discuss whether or not Shiba Inu is dead. Is Shiba Inu dead? Is it going to come back? Because right now, I'll show you this, more than 80% of Shiba Inu investors are at a loss. So that is a fact. We're going to talk about that in the video. Smash your like button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and sign up for Crypto.com using our referral link down below. You get $25 free when you sign up. Crypto.com is a fantastic exchange, one of the ones that I use most frequently, alongside Robinhood and a little bit of Coinbase. I dabble around. Always good to kind of diversify, learn a little bit about each platform. Also, if you're into leverage trading, you can check out our referral link to Femex. When you use our referral code, you get some free money when you deposit some of your money into that exchange for a trade, and you get free money towards that trade. So check it out, guys. Without further ado, let's hop into the charts. Let's check out the markets and see exactly what's going on here with crypto. So crypto market cap about to break below $800 billion. Bitcoin dominance is currently climbing. Well, actually, it's down a little bit. It's down to 42.9%. It was a little higher recently, but these markets are dipping, and Bitcoin is currently down 11% in the last 24 hours, sitting at $18,200. Ethereum has broken below $1,000. Binance below 200. Cardano below 50 cents. Guys, this is where we're at. Ripple is below 30 cents. Solana is below $30. Dogecoin below $5. Looking where Shiba Inu is, it's at rank number 16. Used to be almost, if not even a top 10 project. And we've added a lot of zeros back. It's down 20% over the last 7 days. So, but what's going on with these markets? Well, it's a matter of fact, guys, at this point, we are very well into a bear market for crypto. That's just a fact at this point, unfortunately, but this is kind of staying true to exactly what crypto and Bitcoin have done since its inception back in 2009, right after the 2008 financial crisis. And Satoshi Nakamoto released the white papers and then created Bitcoin, and we started spiking up. We have 4-year cycles that are basically leaning on the Bitcoin halving that happens every about 4 years. Each time the Bitcoin halving occurs, the amount of Bitcoin that the miners receive as a reward for solving the transactions on the Bitcoin network is reduced by half. Upon that halving, Bitcoin gets more rare and the price goes up. That's basically how that works. And right now, we're waiting for 2024, 2025 for that Bitcoin halving to come back around, unless something different comes around. And I'm not saying no event could drive this market back up, but what you got to look at is right now, as this thing continues to go down, you must be saving cash. You must be dollar cost averaging with that cash over time into these projects, because you are getting Bitcoin 75% off from its highs. You are getting Ethereum, same thing. All these coins, 75, 95, almost 100% discount on these coins. If you start buying this dip for the first time over the next 2 years, you will have that 10x, 5x, 20x, maybe even 100x opportunity on some of these projects. The lower the coin, the higher the upward potential. Shiba Inu is ranked number 16, and it's got $4 billion. Probably not going to have the same movement it used to, but is it dead? Well, according to this article, almost 81% of all Shiba Inu investors are at a loss. After doing an analysis, this is what they're reporting here. Basically, majority of Shiba Inu investors are just at a loss. Now, part of that, in my opinion, might be from a lot of the folks that started buying Shiba Inu probably started buying it on Robinhood when it was listed. You had a couple other folks that were buying it on Gate.io and some of the others, and then it got listed on Coinbase, and it started getting listed on a lot of these exchanges, a lot of these larger exchanges for the first time. Well, it was rallying, which is almost always the worst time to buy. You're not supposed to panic in, FOMO in when the markets are going up. Of course, if you're DCAing, you can buy when the markets are going up. If you have a DCAing strategy, dollar cost average on the bottom, at the top, in the middle, it doesn't matter. You're buying over time. But a lot of these people probably bought Shiba Inu as it was going up, as it got listed on some of these major exchanges. And so this article doesn't really scare me. This just makes sense. 80% of people that invested in crypto in 2021, I bet, are at a loss. I don't have that statistic, but there's a lot of folks that probably started buying crypto on the way up, as it always goes down. Just a few people win each time, right? It's the people that take profits in DCA over the long haul and sell peaks are the ones that make money. And unfortunately, a lot of the Shiba Inu investors are probably just getting rocked and rallied right now. And that's, that's tough, but this does not mean anything. And guys, Shiba Inu is a top 20 coin, and they've got their own Shiba Swap platform. So they've got things happening. It's not just a nothing coin. In fact, it almost has more going than Dogecoin. And granted, Elon Musk has kind of a backing behind Dogecoin, which, by the way, he's being sued for $258 billion over the way that he was talking about discussing Dogecoin, and people are trying to call it like a pyramid scheme, that he was basically doing a large pump and dump, which there's no proof behind that. But so they've got that, right? Dogecoin has that. Shiba doesn't really have as much of that. Now, it's a very inflationary token, so that's not so good, but it is a popular token. It's one of like the 6 cryptos that are listed on Robinhood. They got a swap. It's a meme coin. Meme coins will be around. Maybe it's not Dogecoin and Shiba in the future, but I'm not going to call it. I'm not going to say Shiba is dead. So if you're one of those 81% of the hodlers in the Shiba army, stay strong, guys. And you know what? If you want, start DCAing. Focus on Bitcoin. Focus on Ethereum. Those are always going to be there. And if they're not, well, then we're all in for a curveball down the road. But if you believe in Bitcoin, you believe in crypto, you got to start there. You got to buy those projects. And then from there, you start to buy some of these alts. And these are great prices. When we look at these markets, guys, everything's red. We got crushed. The crypto market cap used to be sitting all the way up, when you look at it, almost to $3 trillion. The full crypto market cap is down over 70%, guys. That is a 70% discount on your investment. And we're always going higher than the previous bull run. And usually we're not going lower than the previous bull run at the previous peak when we're dipping. But unfortunately, for the first time in the history of crypto and Bitcoin, that is exactly what we did. We actually went lower than the previous peak. And I think actually on crypto market cap that happened back in the day, but on Bitcoin that has not happened. Bitcoin historically wouldn't have crossed $20,000 in this bear market, but there's a lot bigger players, there's a lot more things going on in the world. There's a war going on. Inflation's as bad as it's ever been. The Fed has not raised their interest rates like they have over the last 25 plus years. Everything we're going through is absolutely unprecedented. Our leadership is not really doing what they need to do from a monetary standpoint. The world is in chaos and people are panicking. And this all means to me and to you and I, we have an opportunity to buy some cheap, very, very valuable projects, products in the crypto ecosystem, as well as the main market. Maybe you're not a crypto person. Here's the deal, guys. If the markets are bleeding and the blood is in the streets, that's your time to buy and to change your life when the markets turn around. That's all I got in today's video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up a like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got a DCA hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.